Hey everybody, I'm so excited. Today we are gonna make a great alternative to pizza. I love pizza, but there's some days where I'm just like, I don't feel like feeling bloated the next day. So if you have kiddos, this is super fun to do with your kids too, so get them involved. But first we're gonna start with a tortilla. So you guys can do whatever tortillas you want. I love these Extreme Wellness because they're 50 calories, or if you guys want a thicker tortilla and something a little bit bigger, these are 90 calories. And like I said, whatever tortilla you guys want, this is just what I'm using today. So I actually have 2 in the oven baking right now. So I'm just gonna make 1 because that's all I need. So we're gonna start with the Extreme Wellness. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and we're just gonna take just a little bit. I'm not worrying about measuring, just dab it on there. I got a little brush, use whatever you want. You can use a paper towel even if you want to dab it, but I got it on the bottom. And then I'm gonna just use some pizza sauce. I personally looked for something that was a little lower in sugar. I think this has 6 grams of sugar, just so you know what I'm using. But we're gonna just pour a little bit on there to your liking. Some people love sauce and some just want it to cover, just to give a little flavor. So that is how I am doing mine. And then I want you guys to get whatever cheese you want. I got a part skim cheese, but whatever you guys want. So get your favorite type of cheese. I'm using mozzarella. Cheese is high in protein, so remember that it is a good protein dense source of protein. So we're just sprinkling it to our tortilla. Wonderful. Get it nice and even. Put as little or as much as you want. All right. Then I'm using turkey pepperonis. These are lower in fat than regular pepperoni. And you guys, these have 10 grams of protein per serving. So a great source once again for protein. So as much pepperoni as you want, or as little. There we go. Wonderful. And this pizza, I'm just gonna keep it plain. One of the ones in the oven, I have banana peppers on it. I love banana peppers. You guys can throw mushrooms, bell peppers, whatever you guys want. Some tomatoes, different types of cheeses. I'm gonna keep this simple. I'm gonna throw a little bit of salt on just because I enjoy salt. And then I have some oregano, so it kind of gives it that pizza flavor, authentic pizza flavor. All right, so that is it. It is that simple. I'm gonna grab my mitt. I have the oven preheated at 350 degrees. It's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take our pizza. We're gonna pop it in the oven, and then I'm gonna pull out the other 2, and we're gonna show you guys what we have. All right, they are done. Don't they look amazing? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give them just a few to cool down before we cut them, but I do have some ranch because ranch makes everything better. And then get a nice sharp knife or a pizza cutter. I'm not that advanced, I don't have pizza cutters, so we're gonna use a knife. But be careful, I don't want you guys to burn yourself. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to pull our pizza off our pan onto our cutting board. All right, now we will cut the pizza. So this one here is going to be, it's a thicker flatbread. This one's actually 90 calories, and this one's 50 calories. So whatever you want. I mean, it's not really that big of a difference. Just know that you're probably gonna get more over here, but it's to your liking. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the pizza. And you can put whatever you want on it. So I like banana peppers. You can throw mushrooms, bell peppers, anchovies, whatever your little heart desires. And trust me, if I can do this, so can you. So that basically is gonna sum it up. You've got your perfect little